So we think that the future is not that far away, it's right now. And AI really helps to power a lot of these experiences.
Jon, it is wonderful to have you on Floor Talk here at NYSE International Day.
Well, it's wonderful to be here. Thanks for having me.
So Jon, tell me, what is XREAL's vision for the future of AR?
If you think about today, we're all looking at our phones. Before that, it was really on your laptops and PCs. So it goes from compute to mobile compute to now what we're calling spatial compute. What that means is that, what is it that you do on your phones every day? You look up stuff, you create stuff, you edit stuff, you watch, you consume stuff. All of this stuff will now start to, instead of looking at a black rectangle in your hands, be all around you. You'll be able to interact with it. You'll be able to see the status of your smart devices without having to look at a device, without having to go through the interface. It'll just be all around you. So we think that the future is not that far away, it's right now. And AI really helps to power a lot of these experiences.
Now, how are your customers using XREAL's products? And have you received any feedback that stands out?
So, our products are these augmented reality glasses, which really, it's one thing to have a piece of hardware. Imagine the first time you bought your laptop or your iPad or whatever, and you have no apps, no games, no content. It's kind of just a paperweight. So for us, it's really been about how do you become relevant to that consumer on day one? And what is it that they already are doing every day is watching movies, playing games, and so on and so forth. So first step is to basically plug in. Now you can see what we call wearable display, see your content, interact with it, immediately have relevancy. And then ultimately it's then to start to bring in those experiences. We can now start to imagine I'm having a chat with you as a hologram, right? I can actually see instead of these screens around us, it's actually just stuff that's in the environment that's relevant to us. So that's kind of the step-by-step how we're going to get there.
Tell me, what are your main priorities for growing XREAL in the United States?
It's really about getting people to experience the glasses. First of all, to know that they exist. Companies like Meta recently came out with their Project Orion. It's wonderful for the whole industry because now they're educating the market saying that, hey, there are these things that are coming. The good thing for us is that we're already shipping. We're not 2 years away. We're also not $10,000 a piece. We are at $400, $500, something that consumers can afford. So our goal then is so we've already been selling direct to consumer through Amazon and our own e-commerce. But to get into people's hands, for people to try, we're now actually just recently started to go into retail stores. So Micro Center will have our products in November, and we're looking to further expand that out. So whether it's eventually the Targets of the world, or just imagine anywhere you go to shop for electronics, you can actually go experience these things for yourselves, and then hopefully make that purchase and start to jump into this world.
All right, well, Jon, sounds like very exciting times ahead. Thank you very much for joining me on Floor Talk today.
Thank you for having me again. Thank you.